What's up, guys? What's up, you weirdos? How's it going? I'm feeling great today, guys. I'm feeling great. Had a fantastic workout. I did some DCAing. I moved some things around in my portfolio as well. I sent out my buy alerts. I sent out my sell alerts. Took some profits on some things. Rolled some profits into some other things. I sent you guys out on the Patreon and the YouTube members. I sent you guys my buy and sell alerts. So check those out, guys, if you want to know kind of what I did. I was in some profits on some things. That's what we do, guys. Like, even though the market's down, we're still making money. We're still in profits over on the Patreon, and we're rolling those profits into other things that are down. Get your butts over to the Patreon, you weirdo. What's going on? Let's have a look at the market. Jasmy, up 1.6% on the day, down 25.3 on the week, 29.5 on the month, but up 289 on the year. Even in rank at 76. $1.08 billion market cap, 47.58 million on the volume. Volume is atrocious. Atrocious. What do we got? XCN down 1.3% on the day, 11.6 on the week, 956 up on the month, and 1,919 on the year. We're down 2 spots in rank to 83, $889 million market cap, and 80 mil in volume. Swift is a great DCA opportunity, guys. Everyone keeps asking me, is Swift a good entry point? Yes. Yes. Down 8.2% on the day, down 37.3 on the week, up 336 on the month, and 1,232 on the year. We're down 11 spots in rank to 193, guys. Still inside the top 200, $266 million market cap. Volume sitting at 30 million right now, guys. It is a good entry point on Swift. Absolutely, if you're asking me. Let's go have a look at Jasmy. What's going on the charts, guys? What do we got? 3 daily candles in a row so far. They might be minor candles, but Jasmy's trying, man. It's trying. We're still in the oversold at 38.64. I'm telling you guys, when this break comes, it's going to be monumental. Monumental. XCN, what's XCN doing? Look at how tight this range is getting, guys. It's getting crazy tight in here. That's what she said. Look at this. Look at this bull flag. We're just waiting for that break. We're ping-ponging. Are we going to break to the upside? Are we going to break to the downside, guys? Well, it's really up to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, guess what? It's pulling us down with it probably to around that 1 cent 855 level. However, if Bitcoin does not break to the downside and just continues sideways the way that it is right now, doesn't have to pump, it just has to continue going sideways, then XCN is going to have its next break up here. 5 cents 155, something like that is my target for the bull flag. However, I would say this, that Onyx coin has a tendency to break way more violently to the upside than anticipated, so it could be much higher than that. So keep an eye on that, you guys. I'm hoping we get, perfect storm, guys. Okay, perfect storm. A break out of this bull flag to around 5 cents 155, followed by the Binance announcement. Boom, moonshot. Profit taking's what I will be doing at that point. Going over to Swift coin. What do we got? What do you know? What do you say? Higher low, guys. After higher low, very, very bullish pattern. Guys, it may not look like it while you're looking at this, but this is bullish, guys. We've held up nice and strong. I was also watching Caesar there last night looking at Swift. If you don't know him, guys, make sure you check out Caesar's channel. He's fantastic. And he agrees. He sees pretty much the same thing I'm seeing. He's running the fibs. I'm showing you the higher highs or the higher lows here, guys, that we're putting in. Very, very bullish structure. We are going to be heading to the moon in short order, guys. So it is a good entry point over on Swift, in my opinion. What I would say is, if you're considering it, obviously it's not financial advice. You got to do whatever it is you got to do with your money. But for me, I would say get in where you fit in before it is too late. Now, most of us over here on the Patreon, we got into Swift coin last year at like 204 or something like that, right? So, I mean, and we're all holding. So despite the fact that it's down, I'm still up something like 800 and something percent or something like that on my Swift. And I haven't sold any, right? Because I know that there's much, much higher targets to come. That's why you need to get over to the Patreon, guys. right? Get over to the Patreon. We're getting in early on these gems. Like I said, I just flipped profits from a gem we put in last week. I just flipped those profits into something else. Even while the market's down, we are making money, you weirdo. Get over there. What are you doing with your life? What else do we have? Check this out for Onyx Coin. So Onyx Coin says, did you know that Onyx has an XCN community forum? Join the community to raise your concerns, suggest ideas, and contribute to the DAO. Now, I brought it up on the screen here for you guys. Check it out. So this is their forum. I will share the link right now over on my X page. Make sure you guys follow me on X so that you can get access to it over there. I'm always sharing all of these links and everything to everything over on my X account, guys. Plus, I also make X only content. That sounds naughty. I also make Twitter only content over on X. So definitely check that out, guys. But this is the forum. Pick your category, communicate. Just understand that it's probably kind of like Reddit. It's like Reddit's kind of garbage to me when it comes to information in crypto. It's like, that's where the most uneducated, least research doing people kind of hang out and talk. So personally, I don't look at Reddit at all. So, but if you want to join the forums, guys, right here you go. Suggestions, governance, updates, crypto news, miscellaneous, so on and so forth for the XCN community forum. All right, so I did something a little fun here for the Jasmy people. Check this out. I was talking with GROK. So I asked GROK, I said, if you had to guess who would be Jasmy's next couple partnerships, who would they be? So GROK replied, based on the information available on the web and from posts on X, here are some educated guesses on who might be Jasmy's next couple partnerships. Number one, Apple. There's been speculation and some buzz on X about the potential partnership or integration with Apple, particularly related with the Japanese My Number ID card, which we've talked about here on the channel. This speculation was fueled by discussions around Apple potentially integrating Jasmy's technology into their products for enhanced security or data management purposes. However, this should be viewed as speculation since no official announcement have been made. Number two is Sony. Given Jasmy's foundation by former Sony executives and the ongoing mentions of Sony's involvement or interest in Jasmy's projects, another partnership or deeper collaboration with Sony seems plausible. This could involve further integration with IoT devices, leveraging Sony's technology in areas like entertainment, gaming, the PlayStation, or other consumer electronics where data security and blockchain could play a significant role. Number three, Ripple. There have been many rumors and discussions on platforms like X about the potential collaboration between Ripple and Jasmy, especially in light of Ripple's interest in expanding its blockchain solutions in Asia, particularly Japan. Ripple's investment in blockchain innovation in Japan and Korea could align with Jasmy's objectives, especially in data management and financial services, plus the deeper connections with SoftBank as well, you guys. Additional tech or IoT companies, given Jasmy's focus on IoT and data democratization, partnerships with other tech giants or specialized IoT companies in Japan or globally could be on the horizon. Companies like Microsoft or Intel have been mentioned in connection with Jasmy in the past, suggesting there might be ongoing or future discussions for collaborations that enhance IoT capabilities or secure data management systems. Important things to note. These are guesses, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, we decided we're trying to have some fun here. So very, very fascinating guesses here by GROK. And I got to agree with all of these. We've speculated and broken down a lot of these potential partnerships over time, over the last couple of years. So very, very interesting, very exciting stuff, guys. This is why you need to be excited about Jasmy. Do not sleep on this project, guys. So listen, guys, 3 more people over the last 24 hours have told me and the Patreon community that they have officially hit seven-figure portfolios because of the picks that we are nailing over there, guys. Stuff like Swiftcoin, stuff like XCN, so on and so forth, guys. We have 3 more gems that we've dropped over the last couple of days. I just rolled profits from one of them into a bunch of other stuff today. So even when the market's down, we are rolling profits from one project to another and still compounding gains over there, guys. That is just one of the many reasons you need to be a part of our over 1,600 person community, guys. It's been exploding like crazy lately. We have a bunch of different chat rooms over there, and the chats are buzzing and going crazy 24/7 because it's people from all over the world. We got tons of people from like Australia and Asia and Europe and the US, all over the place, right? So it's buzzing 24/7. We are live over there in a group video call every single evening, which we record if you miss it, and we post it over there so that you can watch the replay, because there's a lot of very important educational information, and we have a lot of laughs. So join the live group video calls, guys, every single night. Get in on these gems so you can start compounding gains like we are. And on top of all that, you get to book one-on-one coaching AMAs with this guy. All right. So check that out, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys later.